The 2006-2011 BMW 7 Series 720 HP by TuningWerk. The BMW 7 Series is designed for luxury first and power second, but German tuner, TuningWerk, has decided to change up BMW's priorities just a bit. Well, actually, a whole lot. TuningWerk's new package for the 750li luxury sedan increases the 4.4-liter turbocharged V8's output to a total of 720 HP, while top speed has been bumped up to 223 miles per hour. There is also a milder version available for those that can't handle the extra push. The new 720 HP and 803 pound-feet found in the top kit can sprint the Beamer from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds before the carbon ceramic brake system slows it to a halt. This performance is facilitated by the weight reduction options chosen by TuningWerk. The firm reduced the 7 Series weight by 264 pounds thanks to a lightweight design sports exhaust system and front and body sills made out of a combination of carbon fiber and other lightweight materials. The kit, car included, costs €198,000 or about $270,000 at the current exchange rates. If the thought of being carried by 720 HP is too much to handle, TuningWerk has also released a small-scale version that will boost output to 530 HP and 545 lb-ft, up from the standard 362 HP and 360 pound-feet of torque. This version will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and hit a top speed of 192 miles per hour. It will set you back €169,800 or about $230,000 at the current exchange rates.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.